Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Ready Steady Ghana End Project meeting. Today we are gathered here as partners and as implementers of the Ready Steady Ghana program to discuss about the program and see how best we can push this program to reach more young people.
As an organization, we mainly have been working in the formal educational system, primary school, junior high school, senior high school. But we have noticed that there is this cohort of people who you can categorize them as out of school youth who belong also to the TVET institution, but that do not get the benefit of the sexual reproductive health and rights programming that we do. And so when we conducted this study together with our partners, we noticed that they've been completely cut out. So we decided to package this program, the Ready Steady Ghana program, to specifically target young people who are in technical, vocational education and training institutions so that they can also benefit from this comprehensive sexuality education programming that we already have been having in the formal institutions. So that's really the main reason why we now have this package, Ready Steady Ghana.
The Ready Steady Ghana program is a capacity building program that was developed by 3 partners with funding from NUFIC, a Dutch-based organization. Now, these 3 partners include Educants International, Savana Signatures, and Rutgers. This program is designed to help young people in technical and vocational institutions with rights, SRHR or sexual reproductive health and rights information, so that they will be able to be well informed and be able to make right choices.
Thank you very much. One last person tell me something.
Ready Steady Ghana is 6 lessons, and it starts with an amazing video clip. This clip introduces the topic and makes it very easy for the teacher to start the lesson, to discuss about what the young people in their group have seen. What do you think about what was shown in this video? And so you start engaging your class and opening up the discussion about sometimes very sensitive issues.
I personally think that the government of Ghana should take a critical look at. It puts together all the problems we see in our sexual and reproductive health into one single package called the Ready Steady, which is very ready to impact the young ones who are out of school and who are facing these problems. I think this is a very important thing that we should look at and extrapolate and make sure that it gets to every corner of Ghana, and it will go a long way to solve most of the problems that we are having in the sexual and reproductive health and right.
Now, we engage 6 technical and vocational education training institutes in Ghana, and we use their staff, we train them on how to facilitate issues on sexual and reproductive health and rights for young people. And during this, the program had the opportunity to do a needs assessment to know from the young people that we have in this technical vocational institution what their sexual and reproductive health problems are. And through that, we were able to develop a curriculum which we piloted successfully for these young people. We also developed a guideline for the institutions or the TVET organizations we work with to enable them use that as a guide to integrate comprehensive sexuality education or sexual and reproductive health and rights in their organization. The pilot of this came with a study which proved that the knowledge and skills as well as the attitude of young people who participated in this program improved tremendously because of the intervention.
We have to help young people in our community And as a facilitator, I have been working with young people for the past 3 years now. So the knowledge and skill that we've gotten, I am now sharing with the young people who are into tailoring and then carpentry job in our various communities. So for now, all what we are doing is to make sure we educate people, or the young people in our community, various community, on how for them to go by their reproductive health and right. If they are being abused, where are some of the places that they can go for help? You know, there are so many things that are happening in our communities, especially to our young people, that they don't even know where to go in for help. And this program has helped us, me in particular, for me to share with young people in our various communities. And for now, it's also helped me to be open up, to speak to people in wherever I found myself. So for now, they have built my capacity to the extent of me speaking in public without having any problem with people, or sharing anything that I have, especially on the part of the sexual reproductive health and right, which seemed to be very difficult at previous, but for now it's somehow better.
And it was a really wonderful time for me to work with this group, to train these people that are now becoming brilliant trainers and brilliant facilitators with the Ready Steady program. Today I received from the group a very nice gift with pictures of the last 2 years, because this is not only the end of the project, but it's also the end of my time as an account manager with Educans.
Ever since, I have not been involved. So today I was able to hear about the results of the project and from the partners who've been working on it. And I've been very impressed with the progress that the partners have made, the stories that they've been telling, and how it's been helping creating a knowledge base in the youth that they work with. So I'm very much impressed, and I hope that we will continue to collaborate in the future to reach even more youth in the TVET sector in Ghana.
So on this note, we would like to thank all of us here for the time, the energy and the inputs we've made in this session. It's really been very helpful for us and overall for our young people that we are working for.